them.
I am. I'm getting them.
He's got the pine cone. There, he dropped it in the water. Silly.
Get him again. That's all. The camera's still rolling.
I'll get some more pine cones.
Okay. Here he comes. He's wet. Be careful. Don't let him wet you up. Good job, baby.
I got 2 pine cones.
Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, come here.
At least only his claws got me and not his wet fur.
That's a good thing.
Thunder! Are you going to email the video too?
Yeah. Guess who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Give him a good boy, son.
You are a good boy. You are a good boy. Bring it back.
He brought it back. That's a retriever. And wet you up. Okay, I'm going to stop it there.
Why?
So we have short videos to show that we can email.
Okay.